Hi, it's Peirce Cook, inviting you guys to come to Blizzard 2010 Cook Hill Toboggan Run. Your help is desperately needed to finish construction. I'll give you a preview of what we have thus far. Please come tomorrow, Wednesday, February 10th, and help. We've made it to the end. We've got a path that starts up here, and we've got a nice run. We've got a beautiful walking path. As you can tell, the wall here needs some repair. We've got some very nice banked curves, and coming into what's known as curve 1 of 1, you'll notice that there's a beautiful sloping curve, and here we come into the beginning of curve 1. We need some more maintenance here. This was a failed project which could be revived with the help of additional construction workers. And then we have the first chute. Gather some major speed coming down here. From the start, you rip down, then you hit curve 1 of 1. Many kids are known to fly off the edge there. If you're lucky enough to make it down the chute, you can be gauging speeds of anywhere from 5 to, if you're fat like me, 35 miles an hour. So come on, come and join. If you get this, call me on my cell phone, 301-919-0030. We'd be happy to have you.